Developing now, a severe November storm begins to take hold in western Washington. Rare bomb cyclone moves close to the Washington coast. Tonight, thousands are already without power as the worst of the storm is yet to come.
Alright, so I'm here under the Beamer. The oil pan has been pulled off, and I just removed the problematic oil pump. The nut has already been welded, but it seems that the shaft has been sheared and there's really nothing happening, and it's just very loose inside. So we ordered a new pump, just waiting for that to arrive. Need to re-weld the nut on the new pump and just put it right back in. It's going to be an OEM one. This really is just the budget build. Get it back out on the street as fast as possible. Drop the subframe. The jack in the back is holding up everything by the transmission. Very labor intensive job for no reason to replace the oil pump, but it is what it is. Just Beamer stuff. Once this is replaced, the car should get back on the road and we'll have no more issues with this car, hopefully. We're going to soften up the limiter because we believe that is the reason this pump keeps breaking. This is the third time we've went under here. The nut kept coming off until we finally welded it, and the pump itself didn't hold up. So it is what it is. Let's get that new pump, let's slap it in and get back out there. Now guess what has finally arrived? The pump, which was supposed to be here 2 days ago. It's a used one, but it's OEM, and so I think it will be the best option for cheap, because getting something aftermarket and cheap isn't too good, but getting something OEM and you paid like 60 bucks for it was perfectly fine because it is OEM and with low miles as well, so that's good. Wow, I mean, this thing is beautiful, seriously. Very low miles, absolutely no movement in the shaft. Perfectly tight, low miles, very good pump. What else can you ask for? And look at that resistance. It even pulls back a little, complete opposite of what's going on in the Beamer right now. That thing just spins freely and wobbles, and this thing doesn't even move. Got the car down, subframe's back on, oil pan's back on, everything's dried out. I just added oil, and it's ready for its first start. Hopefully it was that pump. Yes, I'm sure it was 90% or so. I think nothing else. Should be ready to drive again. Got the keys right here, and start this bad boy up, see if it runs. A couple things out of the oil pan. This is metal. I have no idea what it is. This is plastic. I don't want to hear none of it. You better run and have no issues. Seriously. I've already put in too much work and time and money, even though I haven't put any money in, basically. Just a new pump. You better drive as good as I need you to. All right. Got the gauge right here. I can't really hold everything at the same time. I'll just leave that right there. Let's just look out for that red light. Here we go. It's gone. Woo! We got oil pressure, baby. It was the pump. It's running. It's running. Let's go. Oh, I forgot how this car sounds. Yes, sir. Whew. You don't have to scream all that.
I physically can't, like.
Jeez. Hello, guys.
You know, when you look right into the pool, you really start screaming, you know? Because when you think you're about to, like, not lose control, you know? Pretty chicken muddy. My God, I thought you were gonna die!
Oh, you saw that?
Yeah.
Oh man.
I'm gonna die.
You just might.
I just might.
Look at the lightning storm.
Oh my gosh. I thought that was gonna happen. I just might lose my voice today.
Don't scream. Wow, the lightning is crazy.
We did lose power.
Hopefully not. It's actually kind of dry outside.
This is normal? No, not done.
Look at all the leaves on the ground. Jeez. Ouch. I meant to turn around. Just hit the quarter. Ouch. Hopefully not too hard. Did you feel the hit though?
Yes. It was actually not bad.
Oof. What happened? I was just too close. Felt okay. I want to hop out really quick and take a look. Give me a second. Ooh. Little wall tap. Taillight's fine. Yeah, just a bit. I mean, it's clean. It's clean. It's okay. That was so stupid. A complete accident. I was just trying to turn the car around. If I at least did it on purpose, it was a complete accident. Look at the branch. How are you feeling?
I feel like it's very small.
Thundering is crazy. Hopefully the GoPro's picking it up. You okay?
No, I physically don't.
How's your arm? Holding on.
Can't let it go.
Yeah, and my trim is still there, so I think we're okay. It's not bad.